Y'all, I'm late. I should have been filming this, but I didn't. I'm sorry. Seen this before about the lash primer. So this is what it looks like with PAT McGrath's mascara. This is the Fetish Eyes mascara. Yeah, that's the big ass B. This is the Fetish Eyes mascara. It's so good. This is what this looks like on my eye. And this is with just the primer, but this is what it looks like with the primer on both my up and my bottom, top and bottom lashes. Oh man, just a little bit more. I feel like the lash is really trying to take me out. Really good mascara alone by itself. Yeah, very cute. So I'm just gonna take a clean mascara on and clean this up just a little bit. Easiest thing to do is let it dry. It'll just smear, so don't ever try to remove mascara while it's wet, clearly. Yeah, this is the PAT McGrath mascara that I really like. Again, I'm sorry that I wasn't fully online and should have probably, but yeah, I really like this. This is one of my favorite mascaras for the summer, spring. I will have another one in another video, but yeah, this is the one that I like right now, and might as well finish my look out with you guys. I'm also on TikTok, of course, so let's do, this is the lip liner. It's the black lip liner, so we're gonna go ahead and just, okay. And now I'm just gonna follow up with Nutrium's Jam. It's so cute. Yeah, this is the final look. I will give you guys a full look really fast. You see how YouTube works? We gotta do that really quickly. So this top came from Victoria's Secret. Let's just go ahead and just do the whole thing. So this top came from Victoria's Secret. The pants are Laquan Smith Puma. And then my shoes are Alexander McQueen. Oh, let's see. My shoes are Alexander McQueen. They're my cute silver shoes that you guys see. My silver pumps. These are fire. So I'm wearing that with the Laquan Smith. And then I have my Coach bag. Yeah. And then let's just talk about my accessories. I was vintage shopping, so I found these. These rings, also vintage store. Like my initial ring and whatnot. That my accessories. I just have some Marc Jacobs studs. And yeah, this is the full look. Ah! Yeah, so make sure you guys are following me at Damn No Steak Tacos. And of course, this is not goodbye. See you later in the next video. Bye. This camera's gonna die.
Yeah, little chick in this bitch, nigga. Yeah, top 3, top 3 or 2. Yeah.